Hi, today I'm for the Honor X6 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, click close, and then tap to OK on the left down corner. And now we can see here information about our battery health. In my case, the health of my battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.